Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Process Lasso for Fortnite 2024. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To download Process Lasso for Fortnite in 2024, follow these steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Process Lasso. Choose the Process Lasso by Bitsum from the search results. Click on the download button and proceed to the download icon to initiate the download process. Once the files are downloaded, open the downloaded file. Now, launch Epic Games and launch Fortnite on your PC. Return to Process Lasso. Scroll to locate Fortnite client Win64 and right click on it. Navigate to the CPU priority and choose Always, followed by the highest priority. Ensure that the Windows dynamic thread is enabled. Next, access CPU affinity and choose Always. Make sure that all CPU cores are checked. Proceed to Power Profile and choose Ultimate Performance. Exclude it from Balance. Then navigate to More and disable Idle Server. Finally, under More, choose Hard Throttle and ensure that no throttle is enabled. After configuring Process Lasso, close Fortnite and ensure that the Process Lasso remains open. And that's how you download and configure Process Lasso for Fortnite in 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.